Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you a simple and effective method for cleaning a burnt iron plate. Whether you accidentally left the iron on for too long or had a mishap while ironing, don't worry, we've got you covered. Remember, your support means a lot to us, and it helps us create more helpful content for you. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and be part of our community. As you can see, our iron plate has some stubborn burnt residue. To clean it, follow these easy steps. Step 1, Safety first. Make sure your iron is unplugged and completely cooled down before you begin. Step 2, you'll need two simple ingredients, cuttlebones and cooking oil. Cuttlebones are readily available at most pet stores and are great for cleaning. Step 3, take a piece of cuttlebone and scrape off some samnati, powdery substance, onto the burnt areas of the iron plate. Step 4, next, take a cloth or paper towel and add a few drops of cooking oil to it. Then, use the cloth to rub the burnt areas of the iron plate. Step 5, continue rubbing until you see the burnt residue start to lift off. Be patient, it may take a bit of effort. Step 6, once you've removed all the burnt residue, wipe the iron plate clean with a separate cloth or paper towel. And there you have it. Your iron plate is now clean and shiny, ready for your next ironing session. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.